Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it is said there will be a maintenance at 10 p.m. UTC, so let's try to complete this faster. Well, we have done this thing previously, so let's do this. The next one, fundamental sum root of leaf numbers. We are given root of a binary tree. Okay, root to leaf path in the tree representing numbers. This is from 0 to 9 only. Present the root leaf path 1 to 3 to the number of digits. Okay. Well, so instead of the binary numbers, we have to do it for the decimal numbers like 12, 13, and here 40, 495, 491, and there's some. So it's same as before in a different way, like define traversal class root base condition. And but you need to maintain a current state of the value. Like this will be the that means if we have the if we are at the leaf node, we have to return it. Let's try submitting it in sorry. Well, it is working fine. Let's submit it and see the intuition how it is working. Well, it is working fine and great. So let's start discussing the intuition. The intuition is very simple. We have to add all the digits from root node to leaf node for each path and add all of them together. For example, 495, 491 and 40 should be added to get 1026, and same goes for these 12, 1 to 12 and 13 should be added to give 25 as the answer, for which what we are doing, if we are at the end of, I mean, if you reach at the end, or this only triggers when we have a right node or left node and didn't have one side of the node. So in that case we will return 0, which it says that we are at the end of that path and it won't trigger it anymore, so it won't try to go any further. To avoid error, this is added so that we can avoid error, and this is the base case. If you reached the end, if you reached a part where there is a right node or left node but not the both, then we won't have node dot value for that right side or left side part, so it handles the exception. And if we reach the leaf node, it will return the sum. Actually the sum is decimal sum, where we'll take 1 first and we pass 0 as current. 0 into 10 will be 0 plus node value will be 1 first and current is 1 now, and we'll pass as we go left. We pass 1 to the left side part and the right side part. Now the current is 1. 1 into 10 will be 10 plus 2, which will be 12. Now the current node is 12 and it doesn't have anything further, so it will return 12 here, which will be received here. And now we will go to the right. Right will return 13. Now we don't have anything to hold the stack, call stack, so we go down here. We return left plus right, which is the sum of all the values from the right subtree and the left subtree, and finally that complete answer will be returned here. So I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, of course you can share it with the community. Subscribe to the channel and comment so that we'll get better support and reach. Thank you for choosing the channel, and we'll meet you again with another video. Goodbye.